Good morning, this is Chris with Paragon Inspection. Today's inspection topic is breaker panels. So today, I'm in a 1981 home, and there were a number of panels produced back in the 70s, even into the early 80s, that were known or are now known to be fire hazards. The breakers don't always trip when they should, leading to overheating. Sometimes the breakers don't remain well seated against their bus bars, causing arcing and also overheating. So this is an example of one of the panels. It's a little bit more rare. You see a lot of the ones labeled Federal Pacific Stab Lock. This one is a Sylvania Zinsko. And so these breaker types have really just been deemed to be inappropriate and not safe. So this whole panel should be replaced for the safety of the home. That'll be our recommendation today. And this is an example of some of the electrical safety items we're looking out for on your behalf. Have a great day. Call us when you're ready for your inspection. Take care. Bye-bye.